Hey everyone running a coffee shop and need a stylish menu? With Kittl AI, you can design one in just minutes. Let's create a trendy coffee shop menu together. Let's get started. First, go to kittl.com and then here on the left menu, click Templates and search Menu. And here you'll see lots of ready-made cafes and restaurant menu design. Choose a design that fits your coffee shop vibe, whether it's minimalist, rustic, or modern. Then here, click on the text to add your own coffee names, prices, and description. For example, change it into latte, cappuccino, cold brew, espresso shots, and other types. And here in the left side menu, you can go to elements and add illustrations or add a coffee related icons like cups, beans, coffee machines, or streamlines for a creative touch. And then here you can match your brand colors and typography. Earthy tones like brown and cream work great for a coffee shop menus. Make sure the menu items are easy to read by using sections. And once it's finished, you can click download and save as PNG or JPEG or PDF for printing or sharing digitally. And that's it. You've just created a trendy coffee shop menu in Kittl AI, perfect for making your cafe stand out and delighting customers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.